Let's have a look at how you can add picture frames of different sizes to your page and have a quick look at how you can add some basic content to them. So I'm just going to add several picture frames to this fashion spread, and I'll do that by using a couple of tools. First of all, the picture frame rectangle tool and the picture frame ellipse tool. So first of all, the rectangle tool, by snapping onto the left-hand margin and then dragging out and snapping to the right-hand guide, which has been placed previously. I can then drag downwards and then snap that particular picture frame into place. That's an example of precise placement of the picture frame. So if I just do an undo and I'll instead create an elliptical picture frame, I can just from the same margin just drag outwards and snap it to both guide and bottom margin and adjust if I need to. So if I undo and then instead draw a square picture frame, which you can do from the rectangle tool itself. So I've enabled the tool there and I'll go to the very bottom hand corner, in fact onto the bleed preview area, and then just drag upwards, but I'll press the modifier shift key and then I'll create a square picture frame. Now I'll duplicate it, place it one on top of each other, and then do the same again, and I've got 3 picture frames together. If I wanted to introduce an elliptical shape, or rather a circle, I can use the shift modifier like that and just add that anywhere on the page. So you can see that's a circle there that could be just placed and will take an image. So I'll just undo that. Okay, you can also create picture frames using the pen tool. And I went to the pen tool here, and then just by using a click-by-click operation, I'll just go to about here, and then click down here, and then here, and then here, and I'll just close it up, and then I'll just modify that a little bit just there. Now I've created that shape there, I can go to the layer menu and choose convert to picture frame. And that will now take an image as well. So that's drawn from a curve or any kind of closed shape. Okay, so I just want to show you that what you can also do is to save any of these to the assets panel. First of all, let's just give one of these shapes particularly kind of like a border around it. So selecting the picture frame, I will apply a yellow outline to it, and I'll give it a bit of a stroke so you can see that. You can just see that just showing through there. And if I want to, I can then save that custom shape to my picture frame. You can do that by just dragging and then releasing. And you can see that stored there. So that's there for future use. Okay, I'll just do an undo just to come back to where we were. Okay, finally, one final thing is to actually populate these picture frames. I'll just show you that briefly. So if I go to File, Place, and then choose some of my files, 1, 2, 3, and then once they're loaded up in this Place Images panel, I can selectively just drop them exactly where I want them. So it's good to have that one there, have that one there, and I have the final one there.